Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable Chrome notifications on your Android device. If you've been missing updates from your favorite websites or want to make sure you stay in the loop, turning on Chrome notifications is quick and easy. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to your phone's main settings. This is where you'll be able to manage all the apps and their permissions, including notifications. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the option called Apps. Tap on it to open your full list of applications. Next, find and tap on Chrome. This will open up the app settings specifically for Google Chrome. Here, you'll see options like storage, permissions, mobile data, and most importantly, notifications. Now, tap on the Notifications option. This takes you to the notification management screen for Chrome. On this page, you'll see several controls that let you fine-tune how and when Chrome can send you alerts. The next step is to tap on Notification Categories. This section organizes the different types of notifications you might receive from Chrome, such as site notifications, downloads, or media playback alerts. Entering this section ensures you have control over the exact notifications you want to allow. Finally, toggle on Allow Notifications. Once this is enabled, Chrome will be able to send you alerts just like any other app, whether it's letting you know about a new download, updates from websites you've subscribed to, or reminders from web apps you've added. That's it. You've successfully enabled Chrome notifications on your Android phone. From this point forward, you'll start receiving real-time alerts whenever Chrome has something important to share with you. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and simply toggle notifications back off. Making sure Chrome notifications are turned on is a great way to stay updated and keep track of the things that matter to you online. Thanks for watching.